To backup your files, click on this icon over here. And on this page, you can see there are many options for you to download your backup files. First, you can select a system backup to download a daily backup. Secondly is a weekly backup files, and the third is the monthly backup files. So if you want to download, just click on the individual buttons. Next is the full backup. That means it backup all your files and all the configurations of your account. So when you want to download, just click on this button. But take note that this option will download a very huge file. That means depending on your account files, this is the biggest and the largest file size out of all. Next is the partial backup. That means you only backup certain aspects or only certain sections of your account. Like for this option is the home directory backup. So if you want to download it, again same thing, just click on the link over here, the button link. And if you want to download individual MySQL database files, just click on any of these. And as you can see, I already have 5 MySQL database being used, and all these are third-party scripts which I use on my website. Another option is to download email forwarders or email or filters backup. You can just download them over here. Just click on the link. On the right hand side is the restore buttons. You can see here, if you want to restore a home directory backup, just browse the file and find the file anywhere on your computer, and once you are done, just click on upload. Same thing here to restore a MySQL database. Just browse, find the file, and click on upload button. And the same thing also goes for this email forwarders backup, restoring this section. Now I want to show you an example of how I download a MySQL database backup and then how I restore it. Now first of all, I'm now in my PowerLink generator script which I installed on my server. As you can see over here, the link over here, it is installed on my server. So let's download the MySQL database file. I will go to this link over here and I will click once, and then I press OK, and I will download the MySQL database file, the backup file, to the desktop. And it's done. Okay, now I'll show you why this backup is very important. For example, if you did something or something happened to your installation or to your script over here, you can see here I click on view all campaigns. This is an ad tracking link, ad tracking script, sorry, and there are many important information over here. So let's say if I accidentally corrupted the database, or I accidentally deleted all the campaigns, for example, I will delete many campaigns over here. This is to show you an example on why backups, especially MySQL backups, are very, very important. So let's say I delete all 4. As you can see, it has been deleted. So I'll just close the window first. Okay, so let's say take into account that something happened to your script, like now. For example, I accidentally deleted 4, for example, okay, just to show you. So how do you restore the files back, or the entries again? So instead of creating new campaign one by one, let's say if I have 100 campaigns, what if you have 100 campaigns? Are you going to create one by one again? It will take many hours for you to do that, and it will be a daunting task. So this is where the MySQL database backup comes in. Remember that I have downloaded the database backup. Now I will going to restore it. So I will click on this browse button. Make sure it's in the right section, MySQL database. I'll click on browse and I will choose the database file here, backup file. Click open and I will upload it. So I press the upload button. As you can see, it is now restoring the database, and when you scroll down, everything is complete. Okay, now let us refresh back. You will see the entries which I have deleted has been added again. There you go. These are the first 4 entries which I deleted just now, and now it has been added again. So that's how powerful a backup is, and in fact that's how important a backup is, especially if it's a MySQL database backup. Because if you are using a script, a third-party script, it could be very, very vital and important for you to retain the structure, to get all the contents, and to be able to continuously have the content anytime you want. Or that means to avoid any loss of data or any loss of content from your script. So it is important for you to once in a while download this database, especially the MySQL database backup. Okay, now let's go back. Alternatively, you can also backup from this option over here, backup wizard. Click on the icon here, and then you can choose whether you want to backup or restore. So let's say you want to backup, click on the link over here, and if you want full backup, just click on the link here. If you want partial backup, just choose from any of these options. So for example, if you want to backup your MySQL database, just click here, and same thing, you can choose any of the download files here.